Hi guys, I've been making lots of videos about a workflow to become independent, to create your own themes and then go package it and put it on your repo, and then why not put third-party packages on your repo, something that you have, that you want to have, that's not on any repo out there, something you found and you make a package build for it, you put it on your personal repo. Great. But if I turn like 90 degrees, I'm looking at another computer. That particular computer does not have a pacman that includes the Nemesis repo. So anything that's on the Nemesis repo, so my repo, my personal repo, this is a personal project, right? Your personal project. I have shown you how to create ArcoLinux Beauty Tela. And then 3 in one go. If you have one package built, why not create 3 more? And this is just, let's get something from the AOR, build it and put it on a repo. So I can, in all these cases, I can do sudo pacman -s. Pacman knows that it's there. It can be installed. But if I turn 90 degrees, I have 0. Now what we can do, which I'm not going to do because I don't like doing things manually, that's a copy paste, but I want to show you anyway. So our little shop, it's pacman, add custom repo to pacman.conf. Ah yeah, if we have the Nemesis repo and you have a look, if you just do copy paste this in there, it's gonna save it, right? So that's all it is, copy, save. But don't like that. I like things being run, go eat, come back, and everything installed. That's for me the ArcoLinux Nemesis. So in this script there is the possibility to install some logical entities, and with another script I say run this one and that one and that one. But what I want to have now, I always run number 100, is something to add to this list. And not only S, right, install, but also R. There are things that I remove, that I don't want, that it's coming from the ISO of ArcoLinux, and I think it's rubbish, right? I just don't want it. So all of these guys are gone for all my computers in one go. It's always the same thing. And voila. Knowledge. I want to get the repo changed. I need to know some way, so let's make it a little bit graphical here, some way to tell him that the Nemesis repo should go on there. Nemesis repo, add it to etc pacman.conf. That's it. Now I thought I had it somewhere, readme. This is what I need. And I know what, if I can say it in English, I just need to bash it, right? To translate it. This note needs to go in there. Now let me think. I have enough scripts on my machine because I do like to copy paste. Why invent the wheel again, or the hot water as we say in Dutch? Why invent it again if I've already done so? Let me look for the code so we don't waste time. Alright, I found something inside the ArcoLinux Nemesis AOR install mpd ncm pcpp. So it's a server that runs, and the player is ncm pcpp. And in here we do need to do something similar. Okay, let's go get that. And all it takes is some, okay, all right, echo text. Well, text is this. Type me text from here to here, yeah, like so. And put it at the end. If I do it like this, is everything overwritten? If it's this, it's gonna go at the end, I think. Let's see, and let's hope. Trial and error, guys. I'm no Linux guru. I just try. And I keep trying. That's maybe the most important thing. Never give up, never surrender. Okay. So this little thing, is that gonna work? Well, just do it again. Let's do a copy. What's the best workflow? Desktop. Control, create document. I'll do it like this. No, let's do it like this. Core, 100 core software. Where are you? Here she is. Control C, desktop, Control V. Double click here. Everything can stay except. Voila. That's it. That's all I want to test. Otherwise, all these things will run. And I want to have pacman open, right? I want to see what's happening to my system. If you don't trust yourself, make a backup, right? Make a backup. Oh, guess what? I have a backup. So pacman.conf is this. At this point in time, I've already done that, right? It's up here, so 75. What's gonna happen? I think it's gonna go down here somewhere. But first, we need to test it. So go back to the desktop, run this thing, number 100. And what's gonna happen? Desktop, huh? Right, enter. Okay, cool. So what's missing is, of course, a sudo echo. Let's see if that works. Permission denied. Ouch. It's this thing here. It wants to write in there. How did I solve it in other systems? Just by running sudo, right? If I say sudo, that's annoying. If I say sudo 100, that's gonna work. Test. Here he is. Maybe you should add an enter, right? So let's add an enter. Save. You can run it once more. And it will be with an enter this time. Okay. So even if it's like this, if I run it, there's still no enter. Let's see. Let's get that out of the way first. The enter. Okay, the enter is there. So that's dealt with. Problem is the sudo thing. Now, let's see. That's the desktop. If I want to run this just as 100, I need to be elevated. Pacman line 23. It's this bit. It wants to write inside there. I would think this would be passed on with sudo, but it's not. Let me think. So I went to look on the internet, and then of course it hits me. I've done that in the past. That's with sudo t. Add something to the end. So what will work is echo, some text, and then it's even in our scripts, in our ArcoLinux scripts, I think, the building ISOs, sudo append to this one, whatever I'm typing in front. So that was the thing. Down here we had this trouble. Well, you gotta be sudo if you want to write there. So let me show you. That is already tested, so let's do a save. It's gone. We run this, that's what's on the desktop, and there it is. That's all I want. Don't run it twice, because of course you get double things in there. Let's show you. Let's be educational, right? It's double in there, and what you'll get, what you'll get is your update. Pacman tells you, could not register Nemesis repo database, already registered. So it's not 2 times in there, it's 3 times in there. It's up here as well. In one of the videos, I've put it up here in the beginning, right? Since it really is more than what we have above, right? Having it down here is also good. It only matters if there are conflicting files. The first one wins. File it encounters at the first database, the first repository, that's going to be installed. All the others will not be looked at. So, update, no. Well, nothing there, right? Then I run my script, and then I update again, and Nemesis repo is at the bottom, and it works. So that's part of what I need to have. Let's see. This one can stay for me. This one is the code that's working. Control C. This is where everything is gonna be. So this is that. This is getting me my code in. Then if that's in, I should do a sudo pacman-sy to get the databases in. So the new repo is there. I get my databases. Since I have my databases now in, I can copy paste a little bit from up here. I can get the rest in. 1, 2, 3, I believe I have 4 packages that I can install. And which 4 packages? ArcoLinux Candy Beauty, Git, right, more or less. From here it's okay. Control V, Control V, Control V. Which packages can you install? Sudo pacman-s ArcoLinux Candy Beauty, and now we go, right? So the first one is the arc git. Second one is arc mint gray git, arc mint red git, and the last one is artella beauty tella. These are coming all from my personal repo. So this is what you do. If I have to move to my other computer, I'll do a GitHub clone from arcolinux-nemesis and run 100. It will add my repository, and it will install afterwards my package that me personally has made, right? And anybody of course can join in and get these as well. Okay, I guess we need to test this, right? We need to test this on another computer system and see everything is working just out of the box as I predict it will. Let's see. So first of all, follow up ArcoLinux Nemesis. It's not a bad idea. If you like scripting, it's a good idea to follow along and see what I've done. each single time I do something, I can quickly see what changed, what did it do, right? New script there, okay. What does it do? Why is it there? And we call this the Nemesis repo plus packages. And it's online. Then I move to my other computer and I'll continue the video there.